Hello, boys and girls. Welcome to Read, Make, Learn with Miss Stephanie. And today we're going on a blue hunt. Are you ready to find things that are blue? Let's open our eyes wide and look around. And boys and girls, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Go ahead, hit that button. What's the first blue thing we can find? Look up. The sky is blue. The sky is big, bright, and beautiful. Look at the clouds. Look how beautiful the sky is. And the sun is hot and shining, boys and girls. Here is a blue crayon. Let's draw a big blue circle. Round and round we go. And that's the word blue. B-L-U-E. Blue. Do you see something blue near you? Oh, look, a blue car. Vroom, vroom. The car goes fast. Yum, blueberries are blue too. Or maybe your shirt is blue. Can you point to something blue where you are? Very good, boys and girls. And now let's spell the word blue. B-L-U-E. So we have blueberries, crayon, and the word blue. And we are going to spell it together one more time. B-L-U-E, blue. Good job. Wow, boys and girls. We found so many blue things today. The sky, a car, a crayon, and even blueberries. Blue is such a calm and cool color, don't you think? Yeah. Now take a deep breath with me and breathe out. One more time. Deep breath in and out. Good job. If you like learning with me today, don't forget to subscribe for more calm learning videos with Miss Stephanie. See you soon. Bye-bye.